Hey guys, it's Jules with DIY with Jules, and welcome back to my channel. This is my old dining room chandelier. It is beautiful, but it's too small. So I will be replacing it with a beautiful crystal raindrop chandelier that I bought from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link to that down below. And this one, I'm probably going to put it into my master bedroom or in the entryway and take the entry one and put it in my master bedroom. That decision has to be made. This is what the chandelier looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous once it's on and the lights hit it. The color that comes out of the crystal, it's like prisms. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let's get on with putting it into the dining room. I went online looking for someone to show us how to put it up because the directions are very vague. But this piece here goes connected to the ceiling, just like any chandelier or ceiling ceiling light fixture. And it has a bunch of bags of crystals. Each of them are numbered from 1 to 19. And I realized that each bag is a different size, so you have to put it in order. This box here is literally what we're going to be hanging the crystals from, and it goes over that other piece that I just showed. We also have inside the box, there's two smaller boxes that are holding the crystals that are going to be hanging from the teardrops. They're beautiful little round prism looking crystals. And when the light hits it, oh my God, it's so beautiful. And this is what they look like. Isn't that cute? You definitely have to see what they look like when the light hits them. And these are the light bulbs that you're going to be using. I'm going to leave the link to these down below because you have to buy them separately. I had some other light bulbs that I thought that were going to fit from my other chandelier, and no, it has specific lights that have to go. So my husband is going to be installing the chandelier, and while he's installing the chandelier, I am going to go and I'm going to connect the crystals to the raindrops. Okay, so the plate that goes connected to the chandelier is already done. Now we have to put the box up. Now we only have a few more to go and we're all done. I cannot wait for you guys to see how beautiful it looks lit up. Look at that beautiful wave. Final crystal is in, and one final look at how beautiful it looks. Once again, thank you for dropping by to DIY with Jewel. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.